It's game day, it's another trip to Slough and it's yet another cup game as we head into March. As ever, welcome back aboard the home of Hot Train FC into our 10th competitive cup encounter of the season, with the squad travelling to Stoke Poges on March 7th to take on the Ultimate 11 side in a brand new competition, the Legea Ultimate 11 Cup, an invitational tournament which features 12 teams from the East Berkshire Football League. We were drawn into Group A alongside Stoke Poges, AFC Winkfield and St Peter's Iver, with the top team from each group advancing, as well as the second place team from one of the three groups. Involved in the inaugural Legea Cup match against the Ultimate 11 side, we lined up with a much changed squad, providing debuts for 6 players, including 2 who were under the age of 18. Jack Roche sat behind a back four consisting of debutant fullbacks Dominic Clark and Raheem Kerr, as well as club captain Alex O'Keefe and Robert Austin in the heart of defence. In midfield, Josh Cox was in the holding position with Elliot Simpson and Romanian debutant Angel Mahi, joined alongside Simpson. Danny Setiawan was leading the line by himself and was flanked by Sam Padden, and the 5th debutant starting Owen Jones on the wings. For the occasion, Stephen Tarai was joined by last-minute addition Callum Parr-Jones among the substitutes. With the team playing in our blue and gold home strip, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments how you thought we got on against a side from the division above, with half a dozen new players making their debuts for the club.
Hit me now! Danny line! Danny, go on! That way! There we go! Come on! Yeah, go on, Pat! Right! Left shoulder! Keep right! Keep right! That's a ball! Ball! That's a ball, John! Great stuff. Loads of time there. Loads of time, John. Right, 5 yards now. You find Owen. Here we go. Ready! Chance. Right, one more. Down on that! Down on! Yeah, Cal. Well done, Cal. Sit in for his grab. There you go, Danny, off you go. Grab right back. Support. Well, Danny, roll one. Danny, roll one. There you go, well in, Marty, go on. That ball! Come on, Pads, touch it in! Yeah, stop, man on! Yeah, man on! Yeah. Man over there, boys! Have a shot! Why not? Why not? Come on! That's it, why not? Well done! Man up here. Try! Oh! Man up here. Yeah, well done, man. Man on. On! Here you go, Owen. Shoot that down. Shoot! Ball cut! Channel on the right! Chris, you're not fucking watching you fucker! Chris, no one! Make a run for him!
Oh, come on, that was vindictive!
That's fucking yellow, isn't it? Oh, fuck me! Come on, Robbie! Unlucky. It is one. Back post! Very good. Man on! Man up, young win that one! Oh my God! Late challenge again! That one was a lot later. 3.
That one was late. Just keep the language down. Next time we go. That one, though.
Yeah, it's a foul. You got that. It's a foul.
Oh yeah. Not really bad.
Again. Yeah, man on, Cam. With me. Got one. Roll.
Use it! Use it!
Cut him!
Go to right! Right!
It's better in it, last 5 boys, come on! Man on! Just stand him up! Man on! Just stand him up!
Send him wide!
Hey! Go! Get down! Middle! Man on! Get again! Put him under! They don't like it! Keep going!
Keep going!
Oh,
come on!
That one was late.
Let's get the ball!
Oh!
That's right on the lip. Soul is cold.
Yeah, I know he is.
Okay, big boys, on the seconds.
Brother, you trying to talk about offside after 2 minutes ago? Man on, Jerry!
It's offside in Romania.
Oh, fucking headed that and all.
In fairness, in Romania.
He's not! You're offside! Come on!
Against the Stoke Poges side that were worth their victory on the opening day of the competition. We sit bottom of the table and still await group stage games against St Peter's Iver and AFC Winkfield as we aim to book a place in the semi-finals later on in the season. Until next time, believe the hype.
Long as that.